found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't.
You put down the phone, you've nowhere to go. Get back on the road, yeah, it's over. Line, the red stop sign, no room to go slower. You do it today, you do it again in a week. You'll think you're a freak, you're a parasite sucking a leech. Come on, man, it's over. Yeah, it's over, it's over now. What a waste of time, what a waste of time to fall so far behind. You're back on the beat, distorted and cheap. You're a villain, what the fuck are you selling? You're a sham, I won't fall at your feet. Now come on, man, you're older. Yeah, you're older now. What a waste of time to fall so far behind. You're out in the street, feeling weak and defeated. It's all that you needed though, to find a new home, to find a new home where flowers grow, to bow after the show. It's so relieving getting told to go.
Audiio da audição da LiQWYD.
잊고 살았던 게 너무 많은데 나를 포함한 모든 것들 우리 다시 돌아갈까 우리 돌아보지 말자 많이 돌아왔나 우리 돌아오지 말자 핸드폰 속에 너와 나눴던 얘기들은 아직 남아 꿈만 속에 꿈이 아니겠지 꿈이었어도 나 헤어나오지 못했어 I don't wanna wake up just wanna back up 우리가 함께 했던 것을 난 너무 슬퍼 눈을 가렸어 아무것도 보지 못하게 넌 아마 내가 오늘 미워둔 기억 속에서 나를 찾고 있겠지 더 많은 것이 변해 우릴 갈라섰다고 난 변하지 않았어 You know what have I done to you all my life But before I said that you were far away The song can never reach you 이 노래 듣게 된다면 예민해졌어 The song can never reach you 아무 일도 하던 그대로 우리 다시 돌아갈까 너무 많이 돌아왔나 우리 다시 돌아갈까
Few cities in between the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. The silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half mile past where we ran out of gas years ago, so I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see there's a new life waiting, and I just don't want this feeling to go. If you're reading this now, please remember the good times we had. Don't forget about the moments we tried, we cried, or we laughed. There's a good chance our paths will eventually meet up somehow. Just know I had good reason to go if you're reading this now. I spent too many nights with the lights out, replaying this scene where we shared the same space, the same beautiful place in my dreams. And I kick at the walls, I keep on old memories. And I try to sing along to the song on this old record machine. But I can't get the words to come out right. I forget this old melody. If you're reading this now, know I'm wondering how things would be if I bump into you or the things that you do when I leave. There's a million little things that I'll miss. Just know that somehow you don't need another reason to leave me if you're reading this now. I'm a long ways away, but you're safe. And I know you're better off this way if you're reading this now.
Easier to remove from the bottle later. And then I don't know why I bought another pasta. Anyway, I wanted to try this one out. They said it's nice. I bought some plantains for 1.5. It's just 5 pieces. So this is 6. This should be my bed feed. Yep. These are my birds friends. And this spices, we call them Errands. And the yam, I I went to the market early today, very early. And my bag, that's it. Finished. I actually really like. I actually have yam. Anyway. More vegetables.
been too long now. I think that I want to second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now.